T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition and liftoff of Aquarius and the SAC-D Observatory on an international mission to study Earth's salty seas.
Good chamber pressure on the 2 verniers and good chamber pressure on the 3 ground-lit solids. Passing 22 seconds into the flight. Recovering nicely from the initial launch transients. Main engine control is good. Vernier control is good. F on 36 seconds. Mark, 36 seconds. Mach 1. Vehicle now going transonic. 42 seconds. Still looking good. Good chamber pressure is holding. 49 seconds in. Max Q. Maximum dynamic pressure in the vehicle. Coming up on the 1 minute mark as we're standing by for solid burnout. Chamber pressure beginning to drop in the solids. We have burnout. We'll be holding on to those solids for about another 30 seconds to assure we have a safe water impact point. 1 minute, 13 seconds into the flight. 1 minute, 25 seconds. Mark, standing by for our separation of the 3 ground-lit solids. Be happening any second now. And we have separation command. Separation, 1 minute, 45 seconds in. The Delta II vehicle not only weighs about half of what it did at launch, expelling propellant at the rate of about 800 pounds per second. 1 minute, 55 seconds in. Altitude now 17.6 nautical miles. Downrange distance 6.2 nautical miles. Velocity 1,395 miles per hour. Minutes, 10 seconds. It's 25 seconds into the flight. Main engine chamber pressure continuing to hold. Very good. Vernier chamber pressure also good at this time. Steering is very good in the main engine and the verniers. Very quiet ride. Passing 2 minutes, 45 seconds. Altitude now 26.7 nautical miles. Downrange distance 17.9 nautical miles. Velocity 2,993 miles per hour. Coming up on the 3 minute mark. Mark, 3 minutes into the flight. Main engine chamber pressure continues to hold. Vernier engine chamber pressure continues to hold. Right where we want them to be. Main engine pitch and yaw steering is very good. Very little control is necessary. As we're passing 3 minutes and 15 seconds in. Altitude now 32.8 nautical miles. Downrange distance 42.3 nautical miles. Velocity 4,339 miles per hour. On 3 minutes 30 seconds. Mark, 3:30 into the flight. Less than 1 minute remains until main engine cutoff. Up on 3 minutes 45 seconds. Altitude now 40.2 nautical miles. Downrange distance 78.3 nautical miles. Velocity 6,385 miles per hour. Passing 4 minutes, about 25 seconds or so until main engine cutoff. Minutes, 15 seconds, stand by for main engine cutoff. Chamber pressure has decreased. We have MECO, standing by for VECO. We have VECO, standing by for 1-2 SEP. And we have separation. By for ignition, and we have ignition on the second stage. Second stage chamber pressures are rising. Good steady state level in the second stage. By for fairing jettison. We have jettison command. Good fairing jettison, now passing 5 minutes into the flight. 5 minutes, 5 seconds, altitude 70.7 nautical miles. Downrange distance 245.7 nautical miles. Velocity 10,240.2 miles per hour. 5 minutes, 20 seconds in. Still looking good. This first burn of the second stage for today has a duration of approximately 6 minutes and 30 seconds. About 1 minute into the burn right now. Good steady state chamber pressure. Hydraulics at nominal level. Good engine control in the second stage. Jump on 6 minutes in. Mark 6 minutes into the flight. Altitude now 87.4 nautical miles. Downrange distance 384.6 nautical miles. Velocity now passing 10,860 miles per hour.